Hey everyone, I'm here with Yaz. We were supposed to both be on the Freedom Flotilla Coalition, a direct action to Gaza, a peaceful, non-violent direct action sending humanitarian aid to those who are being deliberately starved. Direct action was being kept under wraps and media blackout for a reason due to Israeli sabotage and the risks that we face. And we have just been woken up in the middle of the night to news of our flotilla having been attacked by drones. We have 30 humanitarians on board. There's a fire, there's water coming into the ship. We're all in a lot of shock right now. We need people to help us urgently to ensure that the humanitarians on board are rescued. They have sent an SOS out that has been ignored for hours now. The only people who have responded so far is the south of Cyprus. Please get the word out there, share this content and ensure that the humanitarians are returned home safely. They were attacked in international waters. This is yet another breach of international law.
It's a war crime. This is a war crime. They have attacked a vessel that carries peaceful activists who are on their way to break a total blockade, and a total blockade since 60 days. No water, no food, no humanitarian has reached the Palestinians in Gaza right now. This vessel has been attacked in international waters, 13 miles away from the Maltese shore. This is a war crime, either by Israel or by one of its allies. But it is one thing is very clear. They do not want to help the Palestinians. They want to starve the Palestinians. We're talking about 2 million people, which of half are children. They're being starved. And as we're talking to you here, all of those countries that are complicit, they know about this and they are in on this attack. We have to rise up. It is now or never. We should not be scared of our governments. We should not be scared of the repressions. When 2 million people are being starved, when 2 million people are being attacked for almost 2 years for us all to see, live stream, day for day, we cannot stop. You're seeing people here. All of us are here in Malta. For days, we've been working day and night to make this happen. Every time we are faced with attacks. Last year, it was a bureaucratic warfare against us. This year, it is an attack, a drone attack with 30 people on the ship. How can this happen? How can the world look away? How can our governments not do anything about this? These are war crimes, not just against the Palestinians, but also the international community who are trying to help the Palestinians in Gaza, because our governments are not doing what they're supposed to do, so we are trying to do what they are supposed to do.